Hello everybody. Okay, I am going to just run to the toilet. I don't know why I keep starting the stream when I have to use the restroom, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna be real quick. Just real quick. Alright, okay, so I just need to start up the social stream so I can see the YouTube chats as well. See, Ian Cooper, what's up? Ian Copper, hello, Kinley Wangchuk. Hello to you too. I think at this point, probably ready to go. So I say let's roll out. I am just gonna, for my own sake, let's see. You will end the live stream. No. No, I will not end the live stream, Kinley Wangchuk. But that is an interesting theory. I like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Okay, anyway, let's just get this party started. Hello, V38 Armageddon, my favorite viewer. Finally, you're back. Anyway. Just gonna close down some of these things. I don't need that one. Probably close down Steam. I don't like having this many windows. But I might need that one actually. So we'll keep that one up. This one's pretty good. I'm kind of proud of this one. I'll save this. That's the splat map. Blender we can close out. Do you play Roblox? I've played Roblox on stream actually. It's quite the hip thing to do. He's still leading math. Yeah. I'm hiding the evidence. Okay. So. Vehicle or vehicle entity. Hello, Gabriel General. Hello, Corwin. It's me, an unknown burger. What's up with the GTA-like game? Is it still working? Yes, it is. I sadly do not add people on Roblox. I'm really sad to say. How's Slorb game? Slorb game is good. Slorb game is life. But right now, I'm focused on Penguin Heist, trying to get that out of early access. So I'm doing a lot of refactoring of the networking code. So quite busy. Anyway. Right, I shouldn't do that. Oops, didn't mean to quit. No more early access. Yeah, that's the idea. How are you since I've gone? Well, I don't remember when you left. So... No rider. I'm trying out NeoVim for this stream. We're trying out NeoVim. So we're gonna see how this goes. I got it working just this morning, which is why I'm late also. So this is gonna be interesting. What is this? This is NeoVim. My new editor. I left when you were doing something in a building and you're... yeah, I mean, I couldn't tell you when that was. I worked on that game for quite a while. I mean, because the problem with the way that I work is I like to have two projects at minimum that I can hop between, right? I like that because then I don't tire of my main project. Because if all you're doing is 100% set on this one project, or I mean, because I'm working on these games long term, right? These are long-term projects. I'll just burn out, dude. So I'm always hopping, context switching. So I can't remember exactly what I'm doing and when. So it's yeah. Is Raycast hard to use? No. Not at all. Not at all. Very easy. If you want to do a Raycast, I mean, all you have to do is this, really. If physics, let's see if the language server spins up. Okay, yeah, it does. Physics.raycast. And then I think it's the position and the direction. You could also define a array, right? So you can define an array which has an origin and a direction, origin being where it starts. So let's say the origin is the transform.position and the direction is transform.forward, right? So now array essentially defines a point in space, right? If this is our world, let's put this in a 2D context. If this is a point in space, that's the origin, and then the direction, wham bam. So now we have a point in a direction, and that's define the ray, and then we can input that ray, right? And now when we have the ray, we can then do, I think, out var hit, which is the data of the hit. And then we can just do if hit dot name equals something, you know, then just do something, you know, and that's it. Like that's all you have to do raycast in Unity. So it's not. I'm just asking because my friend is doing a boxing-like game, but American style. Okay, nice. But yeah, it's not bad. I was doing a gun and is trying to make a bullet, had collision on something or someone. Yeah, well, raycasts are extremely easy. If you know what you're doing and you're not just copying code from someone else, raycasts are super easy and super useful too. I'll play your game, please do. Anyway, so I was gonna go up here. Okay. Oh. I forget, how do you, Vim execute, Vim do auto, or is it like autocomplete? Go to action, I think. Yeah, implement interface. I think that's it. Which should have it implemented down here, right? Yeah, I was so happy when I saw that, I was so happy when I saw that GTA was delayed, which might not be as understandable for you guys, but for me, who's working on sort of a GTA style clone, you know, hell yeah. Will you get money if I play your game? If you buy it, then yeah, of course. Yeah, no, oh, okay, make a Roblox game so I can give you Robux. Yeah, I have no clue how to make a Roblox game. I kind of want to maybe someday make a Roblox experience just to see how that works, but let's see. I think that should be it. RPC explode. Honestly, we should probably bring this down. We'll go to I wonder what your game will be named. Well, this game's called Penguin Heist, but then, you know, also there's a game that I'm working on that's called Penguin Springs, and that's the like Penguin GTA game. Hey, sweet. I think that is good. But here's the thing, right? When we leave now, we don't get instantly all the errors, I think. Right, there's no argument giving. Okay, so here's the thing. Is there like NeoVim go to error in project? Okay, I think that might be what we need. Trouble. Pretty list for showing diagnostics, reference, telescope results, quick fix. Okay. Hello, Cynics Gaming, by the way. Goidel moving to Roblox Studio confirmed. I kind of want to, because I think it would be fun. Let's see. Symbols, trouble symbols, LSP definitions, reference. Oh, hell yeah. Thanks for the subscription.
It's my birthday. Hooray.
Happy birthday to you. Wait, we'll do the, wait. What's the birthday? I don't have any birthday sound effect. Happy birthday! That's the closest. Will you add ads so you can get ad revenue? Fuck no. I hate ads. I have to go. Have a good... Yeah, you too, Senix Gaming. The game should be nothing but ads. Yeah, I think maybe that's actually a good idea. You changed my mind. You changed my mind. I'm gonna do the whole ad thing, I think. In-app purchases. I don't think I'm gonna do in-app purchases. But here's the thing. I'm never gonna say never, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. As a game developer, you want to think about the long term, right? And for me, I would never play a game that has microtransactions ever. I would try my best to never have to include microtransactions in my game ever. But if push comes to shove, I mean, this is my livelihood, and you know, what compromises am I willing to make in the future? I don't know. So I'm not going to sit here and say I'll never ever do it under no circumstances ever. But I still want to do it in a fair way. Never pay to win. Never ever. But you know, if push comes to shove and that's what I have to do, then you know. That is also true, Aaron. You know everything about the lore, I can tell. You've studied all the lore and you know all the characters as well. You've compromised, I can tell. There, so this should... Okay, can we quit this? Right quit? I think we have to restart one more time. Large chowder sitting next to my dedicated Kojima shelf. I met a person yesterday who's a game designer, and they told me that Kojima added them on Facebook. That's kind of fun. Wait, Corngrun, isn't there already a game called Penguinized? You're using the Penguin bot right now that the game uses, but no corn. This, I made Penguinized. Penguinized is my game. That's a very good observation, though. Wait, so what does trouble actually do then? Hello, bro. I recently just hit 1K subs. Yippee! I was a $60 flight away from seeing Kojima in person. Why didn't you? Wait, do I have to like define which LSP it uses or something? I don't understand. You can easily open any search results in Trouble by defining a custom action, right? Okay. Bro, I have 35 sub. Hey, congratulations, Kinley. That's awesome. Yeah, I think Aaron wins this one. He's got the 0 subs. Wait, I can't figure out how to jump, see the next area in the entire project. Open file tree. But do I have to open file tree in buffer vim? Is that like... to open the file tree in a NeoVim buffer using the nvim tree Lua program, you can use the nvim tree toggle. So nvim tree toggle. Right, I don't have nvim tree. Project-wide error finding. It depends on the language server, I think. Some reports... no diagnostics found. Make... Wait, what? Can I see, like, what dir I am in? Wait, does exclamation mark start the shell, I think? Oh shit, we got...
Driffany
Rated.
my stream with
The
6
good doctor.
views.
Hello. I am addicted to corn, yeah. Wait, telescope set current there as project? Is that what you have to do? Project management in what's it called? NeoVim. Like how do you... Right? Okay. Wait, I think I'm gonna have to chat GPT this thing, because apparently it's supposed to be good for... Wait, I don't think I have it set up in this one. I need you to explain this shit to me. Sup GPT. How do I set up a project in NeoVim? Also, I need project-wide error finding. In NeoVim, project refers to a directory with a root marker plus some object. Okay. Project roots auto detective. An LSP. I have that set up. A way to see errors across the whole project. Right. Make NeoVim aware of project roots. Well, my project are Unity projects. So let's see if we can have it. Yeah, watch me delete it by accident. I had to undo like a week of work, by the way. But I do versioning. I do version control, so I don't have any issues with accidentally deleting stuff. The only thing that can happen if I delete a bunch of shit is I have to spend like 5 hours re-importing the whole project. You know, that's awesome. I remember the time you cooked with modeling the motorcycle. Oh, right. Yeah. I was doing that. Okay. So it's saying here. For a Unity project in NeoVim, basically the Unity project folder with assets, project setting, right? Plus a C# plus a way to view, right? So I have the LSP set up. So this should be all I need to add, which we can just do search NeoVim init. I don't even know why I'm doing NeoVim. Honestly, I'm extremely productive. Like, with JetBrains, but I feel like I just get this sense that here's the thing. I'm using JetBrains Writer with my student email, right? I haven't paid for it. I'm using my student email, and I graduated in 2023. That's almost 3 years ago now. So it's not, you know. I feel like does Feed Corn have a limit? It has a limit, yeah. Corn, can the Twitch watchers lead a little chat on the bottom as well? Yeah. They can see you guys and you can see them, so. You look hungry, Corn. I am about to burst at the seams. See, so does a project exist within the buffer? Because that's what I need to find errors within the full project. I'm about to burst. Hey. Careful now. Can you explode? I wish I could. Short answer, no. A project is not something listed. A buffer is just an open file. The project is the directory that NeoVim or the LSP decides is the root based on project-wide errors come from the LSP view of that root. Okay. Right. Okay, so that should be what I need to add then. I think you're at max. It's possible. It is possible. Ah, shit, I need to. Damn it. Okay. Search, new event, in it. And then we have the freaking keybinds. Level 500 tummy size. That sounds about right. But it says no diagnostics found. But I mean, there are obviously diagnostics because it's... But if I go to here, wait, hide the warnings. Vehicle entity. Like here, there's going to be errors. Although maybe it hasn't loaded up the solution, so that's why it can't find the diagnostics. But then maybe it should work now. So if I leave this class, right? So if we go to, we leave this file, we go to, I guess hot reload is. Two toes, cache the author. Oh, hello. Yeah, we haven't had Miles in here today, luckily. Okay, so let's go to a random class. So we'll go to vehicle, right? And now X diagnostics, no diagnostics found, right? I am trying out Rubble, but Rubble is only giving me buffer diagnosis. Because that's the thing, like if I go here, I can go to vehicle entity and then probably... Right, so I'm here, vehicle entity. No Hein? Yeah, no Hein. Workspace. Rubble diagnostics. No diagnostics found. Okay. But this, I mean, this here, 74417. So at line 744. What game you're making? I'm making a, yeah, Unity. Is that the thing? Is that the issue? So I have to like do Unity sync or something. I think it's Unity sync. No? I'm making a penguin-based heist game. I'm using NeoVim right now, so I'm just trying to figure out code word? I'm not sure I remember the code word. That a good tool? I don't know yet. That's I'm just trying to like this one. For Unity Dev? I don't know yet. I don't know. I just started using it today, so. Oh, banish them. Okay. Use sync. That would have to do. Yeah, so it has to reload the solution. We'll see, because it doesn't seem to recognize this as an error, right? RPC damage. But I mean, we can go to the definition and we'll see that obviously obviously this is not being called correctly. Now it gives an error. Okay, so let's see here. We're gonna write this file. Okay. It's giving the error now. And we'll go to, let's just go to a random file. So we'll just go to vehicle.ds or something. And then workspace diagnostics. Now it shows the error in the project. Okay, sweet. So new damage data, damage equals 0. We'll just call it 1. And that should be it. And then just write. And that should, no diagnostics found. Yeah, okay. I wonder if there's like okay, well, let's just try out to Do this. Starting a big heist. Okay, so what we're gonna try out now. How long you've been streaming for? I started quite late today, so I think it's not even been an hour. I think it's been like 40 minutes or something. Oh my god, Big BL9, my favorite viewer, welcome. Why are you big? Because people are feeding me. Can you please help me starve so I can get back to normal size? Click starve. Starve Corngwin. Starve me. I can't be this fat forever. It's very bad for my joints. I'm too chunky. Yeah, it seems to do this auto formatting, but maybe it's better for me to start formatting it this way. I don't know. I mean, this is how they say you should write C# code, and I don't know. Is vertical space that necessary? There, did it change? Yeah, but you have to do it many times. You have to like spam it. Get me back to normal size. Joints, yeah. They're going down, my joints. You can save me. Only you. Points. Yeah, that's Gwyn joints. Points. You are the chosen one, Big BL9. You are the chosen one to rescue me from my obesity. Do I have like... The fuck is that? RF engine. I don't think I have that thing. Okay. I require more funds. Can I just delete this RF engine? Wait, let's see. What is it? RF engine? Utils not, but I do have utils here. Oops. I guess it doesn't find it in the definition. Strange. Yo, sup, cashier gamer. Yo, sup, Choco Cream. Yeah, stick to the basement, Cash. You're not leaving anytime soon. The only way you're getting out is if you give me $500 donation. That's the only way. Choco Cream, my favorite viewer, welcome. Can I see the game so far? No. But I'm gonna show everyone else. But you're not allowed to see. Maybe Choco Cream can help you out the basement. By the way, guys, make sure to like and share the live. Let's do this. Together, we can become the biggest live stream on YouTube. Howdy, fellow dev. Hello, Joseph the Man. Can I show you something cool, Joseph the Man? This morning, look, so for context, 1 month ago, I was trying to set up NeoVim for Unity. Turns out NeoVim and Unity, or like NeoVim and C# in general, apparently, kind of sucks ass. Like they don't commingle very well. But I managed to set it up this morning, and I've got it running. So this is my first time working in NeoVim with Unity. So we'll see how that goes. I'm using Kickstart. Oh, okay, the stuff renders normally now for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was a little cool, you know? I just thought it was a little cool. Looks pretty good, to be honest. Hey, yo, guys, we got the approval stamp from Cashier Gamer. Uh-oh. OMG, that penguin game, yeah. That penguin game. You know, that looks better than it did before. You should add sides. Codes to get different items. Well, you can buy different items in the game, so I think we should probably move the intent synchronization for enemies. But I still want to see... Like, this is kind of annoying. You should add the Club Penguin dance, bro. You can already dance. What are you talking about? Wait, I wonder... Shit. What is the name of this game? It's called Penguin Heist. It seems like the melee RPCs just aren't sending, which is really weird. Okay, let's RPC damage. So I mean, it sends the damage. Like, is the problem that it gets let's just see that it actually, like, sends shit. I mean, it spawns the audio. If it didn't spawn the audio, that means it wouldn't deal the damage in the first place. This is that penguin game. It is that penguin game. The name of the game is Penguin Heist. But yeah, it's the penguin game. Yeah, say hello to Twitch, guys. Everyone on YouTube, say hi to Twitch. Woo! I'm flying. I'm loving the weapons, though. Good. Whoa! Is there a fish weapon? I mean, there is a fish weapon. Yeah, there is a fish weapon. There are many fish weapons. There's a fish gun. There's a swordfish. There's a stiff fish you can use as a weapon. There's going to be a book of fish that spawns in fish. So they're fish weapons, yeah, for sure. Because I mean, here we can see. What about fish armor? There is no armor in the game whatsoever, so. But that is interesting, though. I'm gonna check on the, because the host is the one spawning the so let's see, melee weapon, and then we have d.rpc damage var info. Sorry guys, I'm doing a little bit of stuff here on the host side. Yeah, it's being sent. Invoked, send cold, not cold. Okay. Well, it's not just small patches. If it was that simple, I would be happy, but it needs quite a bit of extra stuff. Yeah, have a good one, Cash. So it is sending damage. It is being invoked. Let's just see. Oops. Right now I'm coding a bit on the MacBook, so that's why you can't see it properly. Debug.log data, or we can do this. Take damage routine, but that's the routine, so that's going to be an issue. Take hit here. Debug.log damage. No plans for it right now, but you know, it might happen that it will be playable on other devices. We'll see. Wait, let's see here. This stupid gravity thing has absolutely ruined my penguin. Help! I don't want to be low gravity penguin. Can I like die? Is that a possibility? Can I just kill myself? Can someone shoot me? The problem is I shot like an anti-gravity barrel, and it's now I think. Shoot me. Kill me. Do whatever it takes. I can't live like this. Kill me. God damn it. I'm still broken. Butt. Penguin butt. Come here so I can beat you up. Okay, let's see. Wait, 60, 80. I'm beating him, but the health doesn't seem to change. So at some point it must do an early return. I think, at least. Dude, I know code is very complicated. If you want to make a game as simple as this, like 80 lines of code for 2 mechanics, maybe 3. Wait, what are you talking about? 80 lines is nothing. Or what are you talking about? Am I misunderstanding something? Is it like doing an early termination because I'm sending RPCs from within the RPC? Wait. I know jack shit about. I thought you were a developer. Well, 80 lines is nothing. I mean, my entire project is like 60,000 lines of code. Like 80 is nothing. Like, I mean, I can show you the, if I go to, like, the enemy script, you know, this script alone is 5,000 lines, you know? That's the enemy script, 5,000 lines. And then I can go to, the, Penguin controller, which is 3,200 lines. So, I mean, 80 is nothing. Oh wait, it's doing debug.log health. Oh wait, this is in melee weapon. World of Warcraft, but zombies would take like what, 800? Well, World of Warcraft is not actually insanely complicated code-wise. You would think it is, but it's not. The complex part of World of Warcraft is so the challenges you'd face is, first of all, you have so much traffic, right? So you have to have like insane server infrastructure to keep it always on. You don't want like crashes. And you want to do like complex instancing because you can't have like thousands of players in the same place at the same time. You have to do like, you know, I mean, the way they did it originally was they just limited the amount of players that could live on a server, but now they removed like the concept of servers, and now it's like, you know, invisible sharding and all that stuff, which is kind of complex, but not necessarily super long code, but just complex. You need to make sure everything is fail safe. But then most of what makes up World of Warcraft or like other MMOs is the data, the assets, right? The animations, the attacks. That's just the data. Because those are very data-driven games. So that's sort of the challenge faced with a game like World of Warcraft. So to make an enemy attack someone that is near 5. No, so the enemy consists of the attacking, the weapon using, the spawning of enemies, or like the local stuff that needs to set them up after spawning. It's like some rendering stuff. It's playing animations. It's all like this monolith script. Many developers would like split that up into smaller scripts, but like my game is like physics based. So if we go to like the enemy script, you can see here. Wait, did I have it split there? I think. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. But like, yeah, it's the AI, the alertness, if they're like getting knocked out, if they're getting killed, when they're like falling, setting like who they're gonna navigate to, slipping, despawning, dying, dropping weapons. It's all these different behaviors. Cashier gaming, I don't even, I can't even, yeah. I can't. You can't just put like a stamp because it's very different. Very different depending on the context, right? If you're making a 2D game, like if you're making Vampire Survivors, if you're familiar with that, the enemies there literally just spam one attack and they just move toward the player. They don't even use like any proper pathfinding in that game. But if you're comparing to this game, it's far more complicated, and this is like driving physics. It's doing all kinds of stuff, you know. So it's very different. And then, I mean, you could have an enemy attack you in, I mean, if we're thinking spawning like a bullet, looking, you could probably do it in like 10 lines or something. Like it could be insanely short. Just to have an enemy follow you in a straight line and shoot bullets when it sees you. Like that could be a very short thing, but it could also be a very long thing. Code is a mix between frustration and satisfaction. Isn't all life? I think damageable damage data. Right, I don't have that defined. Search grep. Yeah, go play a FNAF. FNAF your heart out. But does this grep files? Struct. Pretty sure it's a struct. Me still here, Pookie. Thank you for sticking around. That's not. One thing I'm wondering is what made you change from IL2 CCP to mono during Penguinize development? So the reason we changed is because the guy responsible for making the builds is that other fish. And if he's going to build with IL2 CPP, he needs to do it on every single operating system individually, right? Just open Unity Dev connected as we speak. Based. Maybe this is the issue. Maybe it's not damaged data. I think we should rename this one to vehicle damage data. That could be the reason why it's on mono. You can just build from one machine. Yeah. Now IL2 CPP has like code speed up benefits, and also another benefit is it's slightly less trivial to decompile the game if you're worried about people stealing your game or stuff like that. But IL2 CPP is definitely the way to go if you can. And unless you include debug symbols, you also get worse logs. And I think the logs in general are worse in IL2 CPP, but I think they have improved as of recent. But I think also it has longer build times, like code compilation takes longer as well. So if this is the reason it's not sending, then I could return to the shared structure, but we still have the insidious part of enemies not necessarily rendering in the right location. Ooh. Did I just crash Vim? I probably did. But yeah, I mean, it's really nice because you can build for Mac OS on Windows, you know? Loading solution. How many of you all penguins? Just two. Just two. Me and that fish. I'm that other fish. He's that fish. And we're the two of us working on this game. It's just constantly reloading. Is it because I'm in the build? See, I feel like this might trip up if it's using like literal names for this. Like, I just want to rename. Okay, current buffer fuzzy find. That's nice. But right, gr go to rename. There we go. Damage, vehicle damage data. There, and that should rename all the references, and we should write that, and hopefully that tracks across the file. I don't know. Vehicle entity, but that's the thing, it only renames in the buffer. Go search go search project, and then that's the vehicle entity. Damage data. Yeah, okay. I mean, it has been. Save all, reference, rename. Write all. Okay, the files are added to the buffer list. Okay. Write all. Okay, okay. Let's see, if this fixes it, then I should probably revert to the shared project structure. So we'll start this up. I don't know, I'm kind of liking this NeoVim stuff, but the like flow LSP NeoVim. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's specifically with yeah, I think I want to switch to Roslyn if I can somehow get it to not complain about duplicates. Anyway. Stack Overflow, yeah. Turns out that when you're tweaking stuff like NeoVim, ChatGPT will hallucinate so much about every minute detail. And it just ends up being better to go back to the good old Stack Overflow. Which, you know, awesome. See, baseball bat, and then we'll just get like a gun as well, I think, for... Do we have like SMG or something? But I never use ChatGPT to code. But I will use it to like set up development environments, and I'll use it for that stuff. Because many times it's like many of these things that you it's just size and 0. But I wonder, is that like a Mac OS thing? Because bullet triggered size 0. Right, okay. But these are all size 320. Send cold, not cold, sent broadcast. Sources all, targets all. Enemy. RPP damage. Sources all, targets all. And this is... It's not because it's a interface, is it? Like, that's not the issue. I could check. I mean, they have the... RPC interface is not. RPC interface. Fusion 2. I'll just ask here, are there any concerns I should have if I use interface? Because I wonder... I wonder if you can, if that is like... I wonder if this is the reason it's not necessarily being sent. Unity, C#. No, Unity, switching to... I'll just ask ChatGPT. I would assume it doesn't know. If I just search interface, I don't know if that's going to show anything. I guess I should also edit this. Which one is it? That one? I just want to know if you can, like, is it the interface that's causing this to not work? Because they are using a Weaver, and I don't know what their specific implementation of said Weaver is. Is this pattern allowed? Check too. I mean, it's saying here, Fusion's RPC system works via code generation. For a method to be detected as an RPC, Fusion requires the method is defined in the network behavior itself. The method is not coming from an interface. The signature matches, okay. Means the class implements this method because of the interface, and Fusion's code generator won't mark it as an RPC even if you put the attribute on the implementation. But here it's saying like that's ion damageable uses a normal method, and your network behavior calls the RPC. Maybe that's what I have to do then, but I don't know if it's hallucinating. Well, I mean, what we could do then, here's what we could do. Here's what we could do. We go to the interface. We don't call it RPC damage. We don't call it RPC, but instead we define later whether or not it should be networked. So the RPC is networking, the interface is networking agnostic. I think that's the way to do it. In which case, probably we should go shared. Bro, I'm back. Well, welcome back, buddy. Because the same issue is here. And shared is nicer, because we don't have this bullshit. Yeah, let's go shared. We're gonna have to... go plastic. And switch workspace. Hey, let's do this. What is the name of your game? Say in chat. Penguin Heist. And you can search Penguin Game Steam and it's going to come up. Okay, retry update. Well, we don't need that. Okay, sweet. So, let's spin up a Unity. Oh, I need to plug in the charger. 1 second, guys. You're downloading the game? Just gonna go get some yogurt. I'm just gonna let out the cats, so give me a minute. Almost back. I'm just gonna get myself a little lunch. It's gonna be like 3 minutes or something. So be right back. This is the game, Penguin Heist. Where's this? Alden Dynamics. Interesting. General Flamin' Hot got some depressed from the old days of England. Oh, okay, cool. Awesome. Happy for you. Okay. Search project. And we are going to... Thoughts on new Steam hardware? I don't think any specific thoughts or ponderings. I think it's nice for PC to have some standard, I guess. Because the reason I like consoles in general is because when you're making a game for a console, you're making it for, or at least it used to be, now it's all freaking confused and messed up, but it used to be that you'd make it for one piece of hardware, right? So you target the Xbox when you're making a game for Xbox, you target the PlayStation making a game for PlayStation. If you're making multi-plat, well, you target both. But PC screws this up, right? Because now all of a sudden, there's thousands different GPUs, thousands of different CPUs, thousands of different friggin' drivers they're using for these hardware, different like audio drivers, different sound cards, and then they're, you know, it's like so many different setups, and then PC users love to have freaking weird ass screens. They're like 3x4, 16 by a million, and it's like, all right, buddy. And then they're like, I can't play my game in my vertical screen setup. I don't understand why. The UI is not rendering correctly. Console users, they just play on one single damn screen and they're fine. They're like, why isn't my game rendering on my dual monitor, ultra wide curved screen setup? And that's why I despise PC users. Like, I don't despise them because they're doing like custom shit. I despise them because they're doing custom shit and expecting everything to work. And it's like, buddy, it's hard enough to make
a game for one system, right? You're asking us to make it work for everything. I'll never understand the dick riding and glazing about PC gamers like they're just to play the dang game. I mean, I used to be more invested in the whole debate when I was a kid or whatever, because I was a Mac fanboy and I was bitter over the fact that I couldn't play like PC games. But here's the thing, right? Most PC gamers, once you actually get like a proper gaming PC, you realize sort of how pointless it is. You're like, damn, I didn't have to spend like 20K to build the ultimate gaming PC that's going to be outdated in 3 years. That was kind of pointless. But you're too far in it now. Sunk cost, you know? And so what do the PC gamers do? Well, they start self-glazing and justifying their purchase and decision. And developing this PC master race. Yes, like there's no console master race. Console gamers, they're just chill people. They just play their games and they shut up. PC gamers, they go crazy, dude. And they're discussing like their setup. What's your setup, man? Oh, you're using that GPU? Awesome, dude. Oh, nah, that GPU sucks, man. You gotta get this one. Oh yeah, you gotta get the i5, i12 CPU combo. Man, this game's only using 6 of my 8 threads. That's crazy. I don't know, man. It's silly. And like the only people to complain about like the thing is that the more opinionated you become about your setup, the more opinionated you become about games in general. And so they're like, oh, I can't play this game. It's got motion blur. I can't play this game. Chromatic aberration. I can't play this game. It looks like garbage. This anti-aliasing is shit. And they're like, oh, it's running at 40 FPS, not 60. And then they're like, oh, it's running at 60 FPS, not 140 hertz. I can't believe it. I can't stand this game. I can't play this. This is garbage. And it's like the stakes just go up and up and up and up until they reach the point where they're never satisfied. Because they are in a perpetual state of having to justify the purchase they made. Steam is like popular app that you can get apps that aren't available on mobile Play Store, so when I try to get it on, forced me to sign up when I tried that, didn't... What? Found the 16:9 stream now, so it looks so much better. Yeah, it's this stream, the horizontal one or vertical one is ass. Like I've literally just squished the screen together, so you're getting like the compressed view. So, RPC burn is not supposed to be RPC burn. First came across the shorts one on phone. Now I'm on PC and checking YouTube and saw this one. Yeah. Well, that's the reason I have the shorts one, because it has insane discovery. So like lots of people bump into it. Are you able to customize that? Yeah. It's running videos right now, so I just have it playing this 24-hour video of a car driving around on Iceland. So here, we can do public, void, RPC, or damage, right? Player, ref, source. But it shouldn't be source, right? That's the thing. It should just be damage. We don't need the source because we can infer the source. From the caller, right? Yeah. Does the truck never stop? It does stop at some points, yeah. So it's the main gameplay of Penguin Eyes. Just look up videos. You can see people playing it. It's going to show you everything. I think it's RPC info. Oop. Info equals default. But here, so damage. Imagine playing your stream on that thing. That's what I'm saying. That's Inception. We got the double, the stream in the stream. But it was actually the video that's playing is actually from this Icelandic band, Sigur Rós. And they did this thing called Route 1. Let's just mute this. I love ads, dude. I love ads. More. I need more ads. But basically, they were promoting this new single that they were going to drop, and they had this car. So you see, this is a 9-hour video. They had this truck with a camera on it, drive around all of Iceland. You see, over the 26th and summer solstice, Sigur Rós. So it's the summer solstice, right? So, the sun never sets. Sigur Rós unveiled a 24-hour slow TV event entitled Route 1, set to a constantly evolving soundtrack based around elements of their new song Over. Route 1 was a 1,332-kilometer journey the whole way around Iceland's coastal ring road. And it's really, really cool. So like the music that's playing in this video is like constantly evolving. So it's made... This was made before AI, but it was using like AI techniques, like generative AI techniques to play the music as the video was showing. It was very cool. I watched it live. This was 2016, so. Obdi Raxman, here's the thing. You're not even a junior programmer, right? You're a baby programmer. You couldn't even write a for loop if someone had a gun to your head, buddy. You better watch it. You better watch it, buddy. I guess we do need the source. Or? No, because the thing is, the sender might be a client, but it also might not be a client. So I think player ref source is a necessity. Um, RPC damage, source, data. But then the info is not necessary. I think shift width is what... Wait, I'm just gonna check. Shift width. I think that's the one we... Or tab stop? Yeah, shift width. I think this is supposed to be 4. And then we can do set shift width equal 4. And back to previous buffer. No, it's not. Okay, well. It's doing tabs as spaces, it seems. Like it's not enable break indent. Go to the number, tab stop. Yeah, well, I don't know. So, RPC damage. And then same here, so... But these should be private then. RPC, freeze, RPC. They should be private, right? It is a bit of boilerplate for sure. But I don't think there's another cleaner way necessarily to do this. So, private, sorry, public, void, freeze, player ref stores, and damageable data, which will RPC freeze source data. Public void tase. Miss anything interesting? I don't know, not really. Not really. Yeah, I think that is... How come there was no stream yesterday? So yesterday I went to... I went to a dinner for this talk I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing a talk in about a week or so. Burn. Right. Where that is up there. You had dinner with Colonel Sanders? I did. How did you know? Public void burn player ref force data and float burn delta equals 2. Miles guy not showing up? He hasn't showed up, luckily. I'm very happy for that. I was the guy with a very tall hat and pink t-shirt with combat pants. Oh yeah, I saw you. I saw you. You know, it's like they say, it's always darkest before the soul. You guys know that? Oh, Mark of Lax sent me another one. Look at this. This game is awesome. Now that's what I call chromatic aberration, guys. Mark of Lack always sends me the coolest. Look at this one. You ever seen this? Oh, it's so scary. He's got the gun. The power of Unreal Engine. Oh. Look, this is so realistic too. Like, you can see the way that the light shines in the corner of the ceiling. Just disappears. That's the power of Unreal Engine lighting. This guy needs to get some glasses stat. Look at how blurry his vision is. Yeah, I think it's struggling a little bit here because okay. I hate Unreal Engine. Sadly, Stalker 2 is made with it. Runs like hot garbage. Yeah. Sounds about right.
Sounds about right, eh? Sounds about right. Can you feel the fish tonight? It is so floppy. Can you feel the fish tonight? Oh, it's swimming. Fish, it wants to swim. The fish, it wants to swim. Oh, will you let the fish swim? Or will you let it drown? Can you feel a fish tonight? Damageable data. Okay. That's weird. That's weird. Cod or haddock? So I would generally prefer cod, but haddock is... No, I'm just gonna say cod. Cod. If I'm giving someone else fish, I might give them haddock. Can you feel the fish tonight? Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, I see. Undamageable, and then we go to the previous buffer. It contains a definition for damage now. Don't worry. Cannot convert from damageable data to float. Okay. Well, perhaps I won't. Okay. Ah! Get charge speed? What do you mean it doesn't contain a definition for get charge speed? What do you mean? It so too does. Wait, but that can't be it, right? Yeah, I think we might have to go open Unity to reload some of these stuff here. Recompile. And then do a usync, and we're going to find some more of these errors. Interesting, interesting. It's like they say. Never teach a man to fish. Feed him for a lifetime. Feeds a fish to man. And now he's got legs. That's what I'm saying. Big Step best song? Is it? I didn't know. We'll do this first. Private. Private. You guys know Private? He's the penguin in Madagascar. That movie's so silly. You got these... It turns out you have these penguins, right? And they escape from the New York City Zoo. Can you believe it? I sure can't. But don't ask me about it. Ask the penguins. The penguins of Madagascar. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Doy 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 doy. New York conditions so bad, even penguin leave. Well, they were in this zoo. So I think it was more related to the fact that they were in a zoo. Than the fact that they were, you know, in New York. And honestly, it was just Marty, the zebra. He's the one who wanted to leave. But the penguins they wanted to go to Antarctica. They wanted to visit their home. But then when they get there, they're like, well, let's turn around. And I know this because I watched the movie. So I studied the lore. And learned all the characters and as well. But this was back in like my private and high school days, so you guys know how it is. The doy 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 doy. Am I locked in or what? Player ref source. Damn it. Mm-hmm. That's freeze damage. Okay, sweet. That's what I like to call success. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. What happened to the codes? What do you mean? The codes, what do they mean? Tell me what they mean. Tell me about the codes, man. What do the codes mean? You gotta help me figure out what the codes mean. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Oops. Codes of penguin eyes. There are no codes. The codes, what do they mean? This can only mean one thing. The code. It's like you can redeem it for rewards. What are you talking about? I don't know anything about these codes. I haven't used such a code in my life. What are you talking about, codes? You're the one who started it. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. You guys know that song? It's by, well, I don't know who it's by, but I'm sure it's a good song, and I'm sure it's by a good artist. But, you know, back in my private and high school days, that's the kind of stuff I used to listen to. Christmas music. Listen to it all year round, I would. That was my jam, you know? But that's my story. How about you guys? What's your story? Feliz Navidad, more dope. Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Yeah, that song goes hard, dude. That song goes hard. I used to listen to that one all the time in my private and high school days. But enough about me. How about you guys? Let me pass it over to you guys, like Philip DeFranco. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think? Life so private, even school. True, true. Wait, what interface does it not implement? Burn. Okay. Oh, because it's not public. Oh, I'm sick. When a Christmas strikes, what will you do? You could try adding some Christmas stuff on your game. Penguins are Christmas stuff by default. But maybe I will. What other interface member does it not implement? Freeze. Is it also private? Private. Like... yeah. Okay. See, this is what I'm wondering here. Like... it doesn't find it in the buffer until I go to the file. Open project into buffer. Neoven. Are there any weapons on Penguin Ice? Yeah, there are so many weapons. Load whole project into buffer. Oil? Yo, Cornwin, love you. Thank you, man. Thank you. I don't think you could. How's Penguin Springs coming along? The springs are penguinin and the springs a penguin. Populates, okay. This could be more what I need. On attach. When can we expect multiplayer texting? I'm not sure. I'm working on Penguin Ice right now, so it's a bit tricky. I'm just trying to set up my Neovim stuff as well as I'm working, so it's a little bit messy too. Right. Ba, 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 ba. E. Right, okay. So that's, I think, XP. So we'll do that at the top, I guess. Oops. That's what they hear in Arma. I don't know if I can do that. Vim.lsp.get client. Like, will this? I mean, I will see if this works. I don't know. Workspace diagnostics. Oh, right. I need to set up the search NeoVim files. Oops. And diagnostics. That, and then I think, can we map? Is there a way to set it to render? I don't know. We'll just write this, and I think, like the one time I saw a penguin causing barrel explosions. Yeah, some penguins can be chaotic if you're wise enough. I'm sad that my dad is getting a breathing difficulty. That sucks, dude. That sucks, penguin butt. So we'll go to like fire trap. Go, and now it should spin up the language server, and we'll see if with the language server spun up, will we get desired results of being able to query for full error. I guess it's still pondering. And you know, you had to be CPR and have to put on the oxygen. Yeah, well, that sucks, dude. Have a good one. And well wishes to your dad, dude. Well wishes. Because now it only shows the one, right? See, like we can do that, and that fixes that. But it does not fix the error at hand. Right. Some LSP clients do not advertise the file types they cover, which makes it impossible for this project. Okay. But you'd see a warning for that. That's the thing. You'd see a warning for it. Is it not running? Do I need to run it? Weird. Where do I find the logs for NeoVim again? Is it? NVim. Probably NVim data, right? Log. Telescope. Yeah. With. Nope. Add. See, is it logging anything? Log NVim. Why can't I do that? Yeah, I have to do Lua up. But the thing is, it wouldn't run this anyway. Run selected UI. That. Wait, what?
I wonder, like, is it even fetching anything? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I mean, I'm mostly just working on the game. Woke up and I'm on this. I've never seen it before. Well, you know, welcome here, Mason Shirn. I want to see. I want to get the diagnostics. I'll just ask ChatGPT. Openfarten, yeah, that's true. Trying to get all diagnostics. Diagnostics. Buff. Wrong. I am workaholic. Well, I want it not. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, wait, okay. If the server does not, maybe maybe that's the issue, that the server just does not analyze all the files by default. I mean, you know, we can live with this for now, I think.
we'll just have to do a little bit of tabbing, I guess. It is what it is. You actually said my last name right. I'm impressed. Well, that's what I do. I aim to impress. See, I wonder, like, C# LS. I could probably use another language server, but that's the tricky part. I'd prefer to just use Roslyn. I can't. Um, yeah, I think it's struggling. There has to be better ways. Meow. Yeah. Like, it takes ages. I'm gonna try a different LSP. Because this is, I mean, this is absurd. I'm gonna try the Roslyn LSP, I think. So let's go Mason and C# language server, and we'll just what's the uninstall X, right? Uninstall for me. We'll just do this, start it up, and Mason. New version available? Dude, I don't know. Roslyn. Omni Sharp. Add Roslyn to send. Ooh. Put this, okay. Hey, hello, newbie. Okay, let's just boot up NeoVim again. Oops. I'm good, newbie. How are you? Yeah, I see it. What? Oh, maybe I didn't add the comma after. Yep. There, and then go to Mason. Roslyn, no. Yeah, have a good one, First Spring Lord. See you Monday. Development's going pretty okay. I think maybe I have to add it in a different spot. Oops. Mason. I need to check the current status. Mason will set earlier. For exact coding, I'm setting up my my NeoVim environment. Like, did I not write it? I don't know. Like, what happens if I start a project? Does it have Roslyn running then or something? Like, yeah, it's not spinning up any server anytime soon here. Where do we want to add the okay. What? Oh. Wait, so I have the... is gonna not work. Yeah. Not surprising. There we go. Okay. Now we have Rosslyn. Okay, let's Rosslyn V4 versus Rosslyn. Okay. Fingers crossed. Okay, it's doing something. Hey, the FN goat. What's up? One second. All right. Can you play Steal a Brain Rot? Oh, hell nah. That one also? No. Name can be simplified. Here it's just
Like a name can be simplified. See, does it spin up the errors now? Doesn't seem to I don't know, man. Not really receiving the expected data, so to speak. Like autocomplete doesn't really seem to do much. Let's open up Mason again. We're using Roslyn right now, but maybe we can try Roslyn v4. So quiet? Yeah, there's no music. There's no music.
You download our open
Oh yeah, I
source
love this
software,
ad.
install it on your PC, and you
Let's do this, guys. Let's get rich. So we'll open up. Ads are awesome. I love ads. Wait, how is there a new version available? You play Roblox? I love Roblox. Roblox makes me... Well, I don't even want to say. It's crazy what Roblox makes me. It turns me into the villain. Okay, let's see. Initialization complete. And it didn't work. Okay. But I mean, although this one doesn't have the error, so maybe we go to damaging trigger and it will work. No. Definitely not working. Okay, let's try a different language server. So we go Mason X and go to let's do Roslyn v4. Put up Mason again, probably get an update. No? Okay, sweet. So, dude, it's all good, dude. What's up with you? Am I right? Who's with me? Okay, Roslyn v4, not very happy. I say, oh, update, okay. I meant, uninstall. Late start, gotta start working on my game as well. Yeah. I mean, it's not really a late start. I'm just tweaking my setup here. My NeoVim setup. We'll see. I think this one's not gonna work, but I don't. I just don't know. You late start. Now I understand. I mean, it's running though, isn't it? I'm Gucci. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the Unity connection. I don't know if it's spinning up the... I meant to uninstall you, Omnisharp. My favorite game? Steel or Brain Rot. How about you, dude? When I play Steel or Brain Rot, I feel like a god. God amongst men. I've never played Steel or Brain Rot in my life. But I could imagine, had I played it, I think maybe the problem is the Roslyn language server client. You like cats? Hell yeah. Like it shows the installed ones. Mason C running. Oh, it's... Thought I had like um not know why the LSP doesn't seem to. Yeah, like it gives you errors. Just not connecting with. I mean,
Do I have to add it like this? Omni sharp equals. Your cat is watching. That's scary. That what I have to do? Mono? And damaging trigger. I think something's happening. Ars.net. See, that's the one. Analyzer diagnostic scope should be full solution, not just yeah, still alive. That what I have to do? Mason, delete. Okay, now it's successfully installed. Maybe that was the issue then. Um, wonder why it's not. Like there, it boots up. Boots up just fine. Okay, so what? Just found out you can simply upload builds to Steam online instead of those CMD and other shit for it. Well, the thing is, if you don't set it up with the commands, you're sort of shooting yourself in the foot. Because if you do it via command line, you can upload instead only the deltas. So the effective upload speed becomes shorter. And I mean, if you can just set up like the command, you could do it like a one button upload, like you build and upload in one click essentially. But uploading online works, you know? It's just less preferable. And then there's also a size limit when you upload online. So they won't let you upload above certain sizes. I forget what the limit is, but it's not super big. I think it's like 2 gigs or something. But yeah, I mean, it's detecting. Like, do I have .NET installed? My project is small, so size wouldn't be an issue. No, well, I mean, it's also like the benefit of doing stuff in the terminal is, I mean, if you are a game developer, right? You know, you shouldn't be scared of doing stuff in a terminal. Sooner or later, you're going to be doing stuff in a terminal anyway. when you're setting up like your build pipeline, or maybe you're starting to do stuff with like remote servers, whatever, right? You're gonna be working in a terminal. So I don't think there's any benefit to delaying that learning process, right? Because it isn't super difficult. It isn't. I mean, time will come. That's what you can say, but then eventually the time comes and then you're unprepared and you're not like in the mood to be doing it and you're just stressed. So not spinning up the language server. The log telling me something? That's now. OmniSharp navigation find no document found. Yeah, enjoy it, Mason. Have a good one. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's see. Let's see if ChatGPT has any clue what this means. I'm just gonna send it in and say what this mean. What this mean? Okay. I guess if it's using the wrong... Penguin heist, assets, no. Just delete these. Edit preferences. Can they like regenerate project files? Maybe I go to NVIM data. I could just delete NVIM data. Oof. Balls. Now I get it. Balls. Yes, see you Monday. Have a good one. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna be ending the stream at this point. It's probably fine. Wait, how many sharp is there? Yeah, why are there two NVIMs? Yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Simple as that. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you around. Bye.